What a noise. A lot of geese, I guess. Well, however, very welcome to this video. My trackers are still standing. I don't know about the panels on the mountain yet, but I can see that I have some voltage out of them, so they are probably connected anyway. It's early morning now and the storm is over and the sky is just grey and we have typical November weather today. It's of course October, but this is normally how November looks in Sweden. I will now just put my trackers into the normal position. I will not start the tracking today because I normally just have the tracking turned off from November to around Mars. So that's why I am only going to facing them to the south. I have to say that we survived this storm pretty good. Nothing bad has happened. The wind has just tossed around those chairs and all of those leaves in my garden. That's not normal because the wind don't used to come from that direction. Normally we have a wind from southwest, but now the wind was hitting us from northeast, and that's really unusual here, at least at those high wind speed that we had here. So a weather station close by here showed that the wind gusts the storm gusts were up to 38 meters per second this night. And I woke up there around 4 o'clock in the morning and I actually thought that my roof was going to leave my house, but we survived and it seems to be just fine. But anyway, I will go up and take a look at the panels there because the wind was hitting the panels from the behind, and I don't think that they are so strong from behind. I think that I have mostly built it for southeast or south winds. So I have to take a look at that, of course. But hopefully everything has been just fine. But first I will reset my panels and then I will go up and take a look at the panels on the mountain. So here we go, guys. All right, let's go up to the mountain, and I really hope that everything is okay with my panels up there. So we are closing in. It's just about 10 meters left. So I start to get a little bit nervous here. I will show you guys at the same time as I am climbing. Whew. And it is looking just fine. Luckily, I was so nervous about those panels. So you can see that the wind was coming from that direction and hitting the panels from the back and sideways. So I was really afraid that this panel here, or this corner up here, should be the first one to leave everything and be down in those bushes there. So I will just go up and see so they are secured. And not loose in any way. Yeah, they are really solid. Oh, that's a great feeling. Great. Yeah. Still sitting really good, so that's good for me. But what a great day. Oh well, anyway, I am so happy that my panels are still standing, and I know that they can handle those high winds, so that's great. Now I just will go down again, and probably I will do some work on my city stroomer today. So no video about that project this week, but hopefully I will post a video on that the next week here, when I am trying to fit the gearbox to that leaf motor. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that I see you next time. Take care and goodbye.